Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Circle to search on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So simply I'm just open my Safari browser, go to search option, search it to google.com. Just open your Google browser. Okay, as you can see, showing it to phone icon. Just press on and you just choose any photo, or you just open your Chrome browser, press on to allow, and if you want to take live photo or from your gallery, to select any image, press on and showing it to result. So that's it.